This is Jan 2011, question 1. This is quite an easy correlation question, so we'll start with that. Okay, it says estimate without undertaking any calculations the value of the product moment correlation coefficient between the variables x and y for each of the two scatter diagrams. So it just wants you to look and show you understand what R, or the product moment correlation coefficient, actually means. Okay, so here we have a kind of positive. Okay, well we have a positive, and they're quite correlated, so I think it's about 0.7. Okay, so I'll just do plus to say it's positive, 0.7. You don't have to get it right. The mark scheme ranges between 0.6 and 0.98. Okay, you just have to get it about. So a better answer would have probably been 0.8. Okay, but it's right anyway. Okay, so this second diagram, how is this correlated? There is not much correlation here. It doesn't look as though there is any, but if there is, it's going to be negative. Okay, so minus, I think about minus 0.2. Okay, because I can see a slight thing there, but it's not a lot. The mark scheme actually says any answer between minus 0.5 and minus 0.02. Oh, so that was better. Okay, but it's okay because, you know, as long as you're in that range, they don't want an exact answer. Okay, part B. The table gives the circumference, or in x centimeters, that is the circumference, and the weight in y grams of each of 12 new cricket balls. Okay, calculate the product moment correlation coefficient between x and y. Okay, this is basically raw data, so they are effectively wanting you to use the calculator. Okay, but you know, you can work it out by longhand. You know, you can work out x squared and y squared, but it takes hours. Okay, so I'll do it. You know, if you want to guarantee full marks, you can do it very, you know, accurately. You can write use the formula sheet to write x, to write all of those. Okay, and then put them in your formula and get it exactly. But 3 marks, question 1, I think they just want you to use the calculator. If you get it right, you get all marks, but if you don't, you know, it's your risk. So I would do it like this. Put stats mode 2. Okay, remember we are using this, okay, because we are using correlation now. So 2, and put the data in. Okay, it will take ages. Oh, I can't pause this. Okay, speed up. I'll turn it off and then I'll turn it on again.